So you just spent countless hours on editing and mastering your finest video to date. You hit publish on YouTube, then crickets. No one is watching. No one is viewing your custom-made awesome video. You start scouring the web on ways to grow your channel. You come to a website that offers 1,000 views for $4.99. Here's what to consider before you make that fake viewer purchase. There are literally thousands of websites that offer ultra high quality subscribers, highest retention in the industry, delivered gradually, 100% safe and YouTube compliant, no bots or empty accounts, best service at the cheap price and 100% guaranteed results. Sounds legit, doesn't it? Well, think again. YouTube is all about natural and organic traffic coming to their website, so they are employing detection software and algorithmic changes every day to combat accounts that are faking it. So let's say you did purchase those fake views. Well, if YouTube picks up on it, they could suspend or even shut down your account. It's unethical and unfair behavior. Content creators out there on YouTube spend long hours to create the best videos for their viewing audience. Views are simply everything. It's simply the most important metric for success on YouTube. It's just not possible to compete with the videos that get attention because they receive 100,000 fake views in the first day. In the long term, it deters content creators from putting effort into producing videos and significantly hurts the YouTube creators' ecosystem. The lockdown on YouTube's algorithm. YouTube's recommendation algorithm came in 2016, and information on how its machine learning works has been slow in coming. We know how video recommendations depend on things like clicks, watch time, engagement, freshness, and upload frequency, but it's harder to know. For example, underperforming videos affect the likelihood of other videos being recommended, or if there is such a thing as uploading too frequently. In truth, YouTube's recommendation algorithm boils down to a few things. It follows the audience. YouTube's recommendation algorithm only looks at the reaction of viewers to a given video to recommend it to others. A channel's overall performance has little bearing. If a video is attracting an audience, it will get recommended. It's that simple. This also means that there is no such thing as too many uploads a day or too many inactive subscribers. That said, YouTube does have a system in place to figure out which views, likes, dislikes, and subscriptions are coming from actual humans and not bots. And this is the reason why you shouldn't buy YouTube views or subscribers. External traffic is important, but only to some extent. YouTube's recommendation algorithm takes into account external traffic, but long-term success will depend more on how the video performs once viewers click on it. In short, engagement. Watch time. On YouTube, having a decent number of views is important because it shows that the video is being watched. But another metric that matters even more is minutes watched. This metric was introduced by YouTube a few years ago to filter out content with deceptive titles. The logic being that if a viewer commits to watching a 60-second video, it must offer more value than someone clicking off the video in just a second or two. The debate of views versus engagement. If you're marketing on YouTube, you want to generate more views for your content. After all, a video with 200 or 300 views does not inspire you to watch it. The trick is to understand that views are not the only metric that matters. Like we saw before, engagement matters just as much, if not more. This means likes, dislikes, comments, and subscriptions amounting to the number of times a video or channel is interacted with. This in turn determines your overall popularity on YouTube. which the platform takes into account when recommending or even ranking your videos. The YouTube algorithm actually comes in phases. From 2005 to 2012, it was all about view count, and this gave people the tendency to clickbait. In 2012, YouTube announced the new metric, watch time, to identify the videos that people actually want to watch. In 2016, machine learning started taking into account the perceived satisfaction of viewers or their engagement. From 2016 to 2020, it's been a slow evolution to customizing the experience of every user based on his or her interest. In short, views do matter, but only as a stepping stone to crank up more watch time, engagement, and ultimately more views. The case for buying YouTube views. With many influential YouTube creators and brands already established, it's hard for a new channel to break through the noise. This is why your account needs a boost, to stand out and get your content in front of more real people for real results. This is where buying YouTube views comes in, but you can't do something like get 100,000 views overnight. That's obviously fake and can very well cause YouTube to blacklist your account or delete it. So remember, engage with real viewers and promote your videos on all social platforms. Together, these increase the likelihood that your videos appear in YouTube searches. Keep creating original and compelling content, and eventually, you will have the amount of viewers on your channel that you want. Things like cross-promotions, video collaborations, keeping up on YouTube creator events and changes to YouTube, using Facebook, embedding videos on blog sites like your own or others, keywording, try a YouTube ad campaign, trending content, and much more. The more you learn, the more you'll grow and succeed. Maybe you have a tip on how to grow your YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.